Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Thursday's Daily Financial Digest. And here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
In the days ahead, the economic calendar will include essential updates and key data releases. These high-impact events are expected to influence market behavior and could lead to significant price movements. Understanding the importance of these releases is key for strategic planning. Whether outcomes meet, miss, or exceed expectations, the market could respond in kind.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
US tech giant Google announced plans to invest €5 billion in Belgium, which the company said would create a further 300 jobs in the country. Google added the investment would focus on the AI sector and on expanding its data center campuses in Belgium. Gold surged past the $4,000 an ounce level for the first time, building on a record-breaking rally as broader geopolitical and economic uncertainty, as well as expectations of US interest rate cuts, sent investors flocking to the safe haven asset. Ethereum recorded its largest validator exit on record this week, with more than 2.4 million Ether worth over $10 billion awaiting withdrawal from its proof-of-stake network. But institutional participants are replacing much of that in the validator.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
The Bitcoin dollar pair skyrocketed 1.7% in the last session. The CCI is giving a positive signal. The euro dollar pair corrected downwards in the last session, falling 0.1%. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The pound dollar pair made a minor downwards correction in the last session, dropping 0.1%. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The Aussie dollar pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, rising 0.1%. The RSI is giving a positive signal.
We hope that you've enjoyed Thursday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.